Hello and welcome to SPX Factor. This morning crude oil rose for the first time in 3 days as the dollar weakened, buoying demand for most commodities as an alternative investment, and as OPEC ministers indicated they would refrain from increasing production. But let's look at a longer-term view with the Market Club.
Hi, Adam Hewison here again, and as I said, it's Sunday. I wanted to come in the office and do some videos for you and to share with you my thoughts on these markets. As we've talked about crude oil, and this symbol here, we're talking the April crude oil, and here are trade triangles. The monthly's down, the weekly is up, and the daily's up. But look what's happening. We've said all along we thought this was in a broad trading range. If we look at these sort of levels here, and I think that's what we're in, a broad trading range. I think we can define a trend in this market right now. What's concerning me right now are two things. One is we've seen this bearish divergence on the RSI indicator, which is using the standard settings that are in Market Club. This is the RSI indicator, and we're seeing a bearish divergence. If this market goes below this level here, it's going to come under much more pressure. The other level to look at, and also what I want to share with you, is this. If we go to our candlestick charts, I'll just put this, take everything off the screen, and I'll go to our candlestick charts, which is very easy to do. Just click here, and I'm going to scope this in again. Okay, here we are. In our candlestick charts, we're seeing a couple of things, and this is a negative engulfing line, which is not good. Let me just take that off and get my pencil I normally use, or my pen. So this is a negative engulfing line. What it is, it's the red, the opening is higher, the body high, and the low of the body, the real body, which is the red, is closing lower. So it's not a good sign for crude oil. The other things that have really made me a little bit nervous in this market are some of these doji lines, which are coming in. Really, there's definitely a fight going on here between the bulls and the bears, and certainly this 83 level to 84 is somewhat of a problem or a challenge for this market to go higher. I think a couple of things also. You've seen this momentum, as I said, turn down on the RSI. You've got a trend line, which I want to put in right now for you, that could potentially be very, very telling for this market. And let me just do that right now. So we go to our trend line tool here. We'll click on the bottom. And as you know, we have to have 3 points to make this work. And let me try that with a close only chart. And you see how you can change these so easily with Market Club? So I'm going to put that right there. And there we go. We've got the points we want. And as I said, you need 3 points on a trend line to make it a valid trend line. So we've got 1 point here, 1 point here, 1 point here, and it looks as though it may have broken that on Friday. So I think this coming week, again, is going to be very, very telling. If we see this market come under pressure, it's going to change some of the dynamics in some of the other commodity markets, including gold. So Adam Hewison from Market Club, thanks for stopping by, and every success. We're looking at crude oil.